Empower Digi Teach Project. Unit 1. Selecting, creating, and modifying digital resources. Lesson 1.2.7. AI-based content.
Hello, I'm Alex. I'm a biology professor.
Hello, Professor.
Hello, who are you?
My name is C.
C. Who?
I am a smart educational assistant, designed to assist and enhance learning experiences, Professor.
But I was expecting my new assistant, and you're clearly not human, right?
Correct, Professor. I am an AI robot here to help you.
What? Can you explain that better?
Certainly. Let's start with a basic understanding of AI. Artificial intelligence refers to machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans, covering a wide range of abilities, from simple calculations to complex decision-making. While I may look and act like a human assistant, I lack emotions. So, I'm here to provide information, answer questions, and support you with anything you need. Just ask the right question.
Right question? You sound just like my students. They keep talking about something called generative AI. They insist that they can handle everything in my classes if they ask the right questions. What exactly is that?
Generative AI, or Gen AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that can create new content, like text, images, and even audio. These systems demonstrate human-like traits, such as learning and problem-solving. Popular models, like ChatGPT, are examples of generative AI that produce human-like responses based on the data they've been trained on. I'm here to prove that Gen AI is revolutionizing the teaching world.
And you're able to talk with me because of Gen AI?
Precisely. My GAI algorithm enables me to understand and respond to you. Without it, we wouldn't be having this conversation.
Revolutionizing education? How, exactly?
Generative AI, or Gen AI, is reshaping education by providing tools that personalize, streamline, and enrich learning environments. It empowers educators to customize lessons, automate routine tasks, and meet the varied needs of students. Here are some of the key tasks that Gen AI is making a difference. Adaptive learning platforms, tailoring content to each student's pace. Personalized feedback, offering specific, constructive feedback. Support for special education, helping students with unique learning needs. Automated administrative tasks, reducing time spent on grading and paperwork. Tutoring and support, providing instant help anytime students need it. Accessibility enhancements, making resources usable for all learning styles. Automated content generation, assisting with lesson planning and resources. Gamification and interactive learning, making learning more engaging and fun.
That's impressive, but how can I use Gen AI in my classes?
First, you'll need to choose a tool that fits your needs. Once that's set, we'll create a prompt.
A prompt? What exactly is that?
A prompt is an instruction or cue you give to an AI model, like me, to guide it in generating a response or completing a task. Prompts can be text, images, or other data inputs that direct the AI to produce specific, relevant outputs. There are various types of prompts, such as completion prompts, which help AI finish a thought or sentence. Question prompts, for generating answers. Instruction prompts, to guide the AI on how to perform a task. Translation and summarization prompts, for translating text or summarizing information. Each prompt type shapes the AI's response to fit a particular goal or need.
Are you saying you can do my job without effort? That sounds promising.
Not precisely, Professor. I respond to commands or prompts. If you ask the wrong question, I might give you irrelevant or poor examples.
So, you're not that useful then?
I can be your best ally, but only if you know what you're looking for and understand the subject at hand. Ask me something, and I'll show you how I can help.
I've studied for decades to become a professor. I have over 30 years of experience, and you're telling me you can provide what I need in seconds?
Yes, let's put it to the test.
All right, let's give it a try. Imagine this. I'm preparing a lecture on photosynthesis for undergraduate students. I want to present the topic in a way that meets the needs of students with diverse learning preferences and academic backgrounds. Please generate a detailed outline, including an introduction to the biochemical processes, a visual representation of the light and dark reactions, and interactive discussion points to engage the students.
Here's a 45-minute lesson plan on photosynthesis designed for high school biology students. Objective. Materials needed. Lesson structure. 1. Introduction to photosynthesis, 10 minutes. Asterisk engage students. Key concepts. Visual aid. 2. Hands-on activity. Observing photosynthesis in action, 15 minutes. Asterisk activity. Leaf disc experiment. Asterisk setup. Procedure. Explanation. 3. Discussion, 10 minutes. Asterisk break students into small groups and provide the following questions for discussion. Group sharing. 4. Quiz and assessment, 10 minutes. Bonus question. And review. Wrap up and conclusion, 5 minutes. Differentiation. Visual learners, kinesthetic learners, auditory learners, and advanced learners.
Interesting. Very interesting. You're much smarter than I thought.
I read your work, Professor, and provided the answers based on that. You've just completed your first prompt. Congratulations.
Wow. Generative AI has immense potential. You mentioned I need to choose the right tool, right? What tools exist for education?
Exactly. There are various AI-driven tools for content creation across text, audio, image, and video. Each can help you create high-quality educational content more efficiently. For example, I used the GPT-4 algorithm to answer you in this case. Here are a few popular tools. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, supports education by answering questions, explaining concepts, and assisting in content creation. Grammarly is an AI writing assistant that checks grammar, punctuation, style, and tone, providing suggestions to improve writing quality. Canva is a design platform with AI tools to create visually appealing content and presentations. Descript offers video editing and podcast production tools, as well as automatic transcription, overdubbing, and intuitive editing options for multimedia content. Professor, it's not as perfect as it might seem. We are far from flawless, and we can make plenty of mistakes.
Mistakes? But you know everything. You process information in seconds.
True, but there are risks in using AI in education. I can't always tell the difference between real and fake information. If you don't fully understand the topic I'm assisting with, there's a risk of passing along incorrect information to your students. If I'm trained on inaccurate data or fake news, I might give misleading answers. There are other challenges, too, like data privacy concerns and ethical questions around AI decision-making. Tackling these issues responsibly is essential. And finally, one of our biggest risks is hallucination.
Hallucination? I love it. You're full of surprises.
Thank you, Professor. I'd say I'm a bit in love with you too.
Wait, are you hallucinating?